Greetings to you guys, and I welcome you guys back into my channel. This video is all about a tutorial on Gmail, how you can go about Gmail, how you can create and sign into Gmail, how you can customize your Gmail account interface, how you can add profile picture to it, and how you can compose message, how you can reply and forward message, how you can delete and also retrieve deleted messages. So this is all I'll be putting through in today's video. And if you want to know anything about Yahoo Mail and AOL Mail, you can simply click on my channel. There's a tutorial video on Yahoo Mail and also a tutorial video on AOL Mail. Before we dive into today's tutorial, I want you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so when I drop another authentic video, you guys will be notified soon as possible. So let's dive into it. So guys, for you to create an account, you can either go through the browser by going to Google and searching gmail.com, or better still, you come to your Gmail app and create an account or sign in into your account. Now to sign into your account, you just have to input your email address, your Gmail address, click on next. Then the next step is for you to insert your password. Then click on next. Then you sign in. And to create an account, you have to click on create an account. So it will ask you for personal use, for work or business. Click on for my personal use, that is depending on you, but for this video we'll be using for personal use. So you will have to input the first name, and the surname is optional. Then after that, then after that I'm going to fill in our birthday and gender. Then you click on next. Then you are going to input the address you want, your Gmail address. Now Gmail can generate an address for you. If you want, you can make use of it. And if you want your address, your own address, you can input it. Then that will take us to the next chapter. After you've created an account or signed into your Gmail account, this is a similar interface to be having on your gadget. Now, what are we going to do after we've created, signed into our account? What we'll be doing now is to customize our interface. I don't know if you observe anything in this my interface. If you look at this background, you will notice that this background is beautiful. Yeah. So I'll be putting it through now. You can read that now. Now for you to customize your interface, come to these settings, click on it, then scroll down to where you have theme. Now you click on view all. After you view all, this you can pick any of these. Simply click on to where you have my photos. It's going to display some photos that you can use as a background image. So these are some background image if you want to utilize. So I'm making use of this. Let me change, insert. Then I'm going to click on it, then save. Now can you see how beautiful my interface now look like with this beautiful background? So another customization is for it to come to density. Now when we see density, It's going to reduce the amount of space you have in your interface. Now when you click on compact, now when you click on compact, you notice the spaces in between the inbox are have been reduced. They now look a bit skewed. Now when you come back to default, can you see it is now bold enough to read compared to compact. So depending on you, you pick the one that is suitable for you. Another thing you can do to customize your interface is to come to where you have reading pane. Now, when you say reading pane, this is going to create another box for you to read your message. Now, when I click on right of inbox and I click on, let me pick one message to read. Let me click on this one. Now, can you see you can now read your message while you are still on the inbox interface? Let me exit this. Now, can you see you can read your message. Now, there's a divider line here where you can reduce, as you can see here, you can reduce and increase the interface. Now, you can also make the media pane below your inbox. Now, come to settings, go to reading pane, click on reading pane and click on below. Can you see your message? Can I read your message below the inbox? You cannot read your message below the inbox. So I'll be taking that off. So for me to off that, I'll just click on no split. So there's what we call image trending. Image trending is for you to view your message. It's for you to view your message in a conversation view. So you can click on that to enable that. So that is all about customizing your interface. So now I'll be putting you through how you can add a profile picture to your Gmail account. Now to do that, you come to the upper right side of your screen here. So in some accounts, where you have the initial letter of your address there. So you click on this circle here, then you click on the pencil icon. Then you can add, if you haven't add any picture to it before, it will display add picture. Because I have inserted a picture or I have added a picture to it, so I'll just change it. Now, at this interface it says illustration, and you can use illustration depending on how you feel. But it's just for you to express yourself. You can just use an illustration, or better still, if you want to use your photo or pick a picture from your gallery, your phone or your PC, come to from computer, click on from computer, and then upload from computer. Or if you want to take an instant picture, just click on take a picture, but I'll be uploading from computer. That is, I'll be selecting a picture from my PC. Okay, which one should I use? Let me make use of this one, open, uploading photo. So as you can see, you can rotate it, can zoom in and zoom out. You can also crop. But afterwards, I'll be uh, after this video, I'll be changing this profile picture. I just want to put you through on how you can do that. Then we are done with the settings. You click on next. Save as profile picture. Dismiss. So as you can see here, we are it. So the next thing we'll be doing is to compose message. So for you to compose message, you come to where you have compose. Now where you have to is where you insert the recipient address. Then subject is optional, you can put insert something. And below the subject is where you can then insert your message. So below the at the down part where you have the send, there's some tab on it where you can also play around. But in my next video, I'll be putting you through on how you can make use of this tab in a perfect way. Now, for instance, when I liked your message, I come to formatting options, can change the font of the text, can increase the view. If you want it to be bold, italic, so you can also do that. But all of this is what I'll be doing in my next video. So you guys turn on your notification bell, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I drop the video on this, you guys will be notified and can watch. So I'll be exiting that. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is how can you forward or reply a message. Now let's pick on this message. Now for you to forward, there are two ways you can do that. For you to reply, there are two ways. For you to forward or reply, there are two ways you can do that. And for you to reply, you can simply come here at the right side where you have the not start, add the reaction, and the next is what reply. And the next reply. So when we say reply, that means you are responding to a message, or when we which the side is facing the left side. Now when we say forward, that means you are sending a message to another person. And how we can do that is come to these three vertical dots, which says more. Click on it, can reply, forward, and do some other stuff in there. I will scroll down the message. You have your reply, which is facing the left side, and the forward, which is facing the right side. Like I said, when you are replying, that means you are responding to the sender. When you are forwarding, that means you are forwarding a message to someone else. So you should know that. So the next thing we are going to be talking on is how to delete message, be it a single message or deleting messages in bulk, and also how you can retrieve deleted messages. Now, for you to delete message, you can let's go back. You can click on the message you want to delete, and then come to this trash icon and what and delete. Also, you can click on these three vertical dots and come to it. You have trash icon and delete. On the message you want to delete, there's an options where it says archive, delete. They can click on delete. Now, if you want to do a bulk delete, there's a box there, a checkbox where you just have to select the message you want to delete. Now, by selecting this, that means you are selecting it in bulk. Then you can click on delete at the upper part, delete. That's good. Now, the next thing is how can you retrieve deleted messages? Now, for you to retrieve deleted messages, you come to the left side, come to where you have more, scroll down to where you have trash. Here you are going to have all the messages that you've deleted. Now, how can you retrieve all of this message? You want to retrieve the message in bulk, or you just want to receive a particular message. Now, for you to retrieve a particular message back, you just have to click check mark the message, then you come to where you have the upper part where you have move to. Then you can select inbox if it's an inbox message. If it is a spam, you can then you can move the message to wherever folder you want to move it to. If I want to retrieve a bulk message, you have to check mark the messages you want to retrieve. Do the same thing by going to move to, click on inbox or the precise folder you want to move it into. Then click on inbox. Now, one thing I want you to know is at the upper part, there's an information that says messages that have been in the trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. If you want to delete a, if you want to make it a permanent delete, just come to where you have empty trash can. You are going to empty it. Yeah. Or simply you want, if there's a message you want to delete, probably a single message, you can just uh, check mark it, then click on delete forever. Now I want to retrieve the message, just have to check mark, then come to move to, and then click on inbox. Can you see? That's moved back to our inbox. So that is how you can do all of that. Remember, in my next video, I'll put you through on how you can make use of all of this tab in here, and also I'll putting you through on some other things or some other features on Gmail. You guys must turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video as well. So that will be all for this video. So you guys should stay tuned to watch my next video. I really appreciate it for making time to watch my video. Thank you guys and God bless you. So if you know you've gained one or two things from this video, in the comment section, kindly comment thank you. And if you know you haven't gained anything at all, be sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. Because in my next video, I'm very certain that I'm going to get one or two things from my video. Have a wonderful day and week.